Welcome to my channel. Have you ever worked your hardest, given everything you had, and still felt that no one truly understood you? Today's story, The Hunger Artist, is a powerful tale about passion, loneliness, and the search for recognition. Stay with me until the end because this unforgettable story will reveal a surprising ending and a life lesson that you will never forget. Chapter 1: The Famous Hunger Artist. Introduce the Hunger Artist, a man who becomes famous because of his extraordinary ability to fast for many days without eating. Describe how people from different towns come to watch him sitting inside a locked cage while guards carefully observe him to make sure he never eats. Explain that the audience admires his patience and discipline, but the hunger artist is never completely happy. Although everyone praises him, he believes that no one truly understands his talent or his deep love for fasting. He wishes people would appreciate his art instead of treating it like simple entertainment. End the chapter by explaining that every performance is stopped after 40 days, even though the hunger artist believes he could continue much longer, leaving viewers eager to know what happens next. Chapter 2: A Life of Sacrifice. Explain how the hunger artist becomes increasingly frustrated because the organizers always end his performances after 40 days. Describe his disappointment as the audience celebrates while he feels that his greatest achievement is being taken away from him. Show how he dreams of breaking every record and proving that his ability has no limits. Explain that he spends his entire life sacrificing comfort, food, and happiness for his art. While everyone else sees fasting as a performance, he sees it as the purpose of his life. Highlight the emotional struggle between his personal passion and the public's limited interest. End the chapter by revealing that people's tastes are beginning to change, and the hunger artist's popularity slowly starts to disappear. Chapter 3: Forgotten by the World. Describe how public interest in fasting begins to fade as people search for new forms of entertainment. The hunger artist, once admired by thousands, now struggles to attract even a small audience. To survive, he joins a traveling circus, hoping more people will notice his talent. Instead, visitors become interested in the exciting animals and colorful performances, completely ignoring his cage hidden in a quiet corner. Explain how lonely and heartbroken he feels as he watches crowds pass without stopping. His greatest fear becomes reality, being forgotten. Despite the loneliness, he continues fasting because it is the only thing he truly knows. End the chapter by creating curiosity about how long he can continue without anyone caring. Chapter 4: The Longest Fast. Explain that, without anyone paying attention, the hunger artist continues fasting far beyond 40 days. No one counts the days anymore because everyone has forgotten about him. Describe his physical weakness as his body becomes thinner, but also explain that he refuses to stop because he finally has the freedom to fast as long as he always wanted. Ironically, he achieves his greatest goal only after losing all fame and recognition. Show the sadness of a man reaching perfection while having no audience to witness it. Build emotional tension as workers accidentally discover him after many weeks, barely alive inside his dusty cage. End the chapter by making viewers wonder what his final words will be. Chapter 5: The Hidden Truth. Describe the emotional conversation between the dying hunger artist and the circus manager. Before taking his final breath, he reveals the secret that has shaped his entire life. He explains that he never fasted to become famous or to impress people. He simply never found food that he truly liked, so fasting was the only life that felt natural to him. This surprising confession changes the meaning of everything viewers have seen. Explain how the people around him realized they misunderstood him from the beginning. End the chapter with the hunger artist quietly passing away, leaving behind a powerful lesson about loneliness, misunderstanding, and the search for meaning. Chapter 6: The Panther and the Moral Lesson. Describe how the circus quickly replaces the hunger artist's cage with a strong, energetic panther. Unlike the quiet artist, the panther is full of life, strength, and excitement. Crowds immediately gather around the animal, laughing and cheering as they watch it move with confidence. Explain the powerful contrast between the forgotten hunger artist and the joyful panther. Conclude by explaining that the story teaches us that society often values entertainment more than quiet dedication, and that seeking approval from others can never bring lasting happiness. Chapter 7: The Meaning Behind the Hunger Artist's Life. After the hunger artist's death, people begin to think about his final words. Some feel sorry for him, while others quickly forget him and move on. Explain that many people spend their lives trying to gain recognition, but true happiness cannot come only from the applause of others. The hunger artist dedicated his entire life to perfecting his art, yet he never experienced real satisfaction because he always wanted people to understand him. Show that his greatest struggle was not hunger but loneliness and the feeling of being misunderstood. Explain that everyone has a unique talent, but success becomes meaningful only when it brings purpose, peace, and joy. End the chapter by encouraging viewers to appreciate people before it is too late and to value inner happiness more than public praise. Chapter 8: The Powerful Moral of the Story. Conclude the story by explaining its timeless life lessons in simple English. Teach viewers that passion is important, but it should never separate us from the people around us. Explain that seeking approval from others can leave us disappointed because public attention changes with time. Encourage viewers to follow their dreams, but also to build meaningful relationships, live a balanced life, and appreciate every opportunity they have. Remind them that true success is not measured by fame, money, or applause, but by living honestly, finding purpose, and making a positive difference in the lives of others. End with a powerful moral. The greatest achievement is not being admired by the world, but living a life filled with purpose, balance, and inner peace. Finish with an inspiring closing that encourages viewers to reflect on their own lives and never lose themselves while chasing success. The real lesson is to live with purpose, stay true to yourself, and understand that true fulfillment comes from within, not from the applause of the crowd. End with an emotional conclusion that leaves viewers thinking long after the story is over. If you enjoyed this story and learned an important life lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Thank you for watching, and always remember, a mistake can be forgiven, but trust must be earned. Choose honesty, protect your character, and let the truth guide your life. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.